it's Tommy here from Raw Blend. Today I'm going to make a bit of a unique recipe for you. This is a Ginger and Goji Cordial. Alright, I'm going to be using the Greenstar Elite Juicer by TriBest to make it. So pretty simple. I'm making this recipe because ginger and goji are so good for your health. Okay, ginger combines so many different vitamins and nutrients. Really good for gut health. It's an anti-inflammatory. So many things, such a wide array of things ginger is good for, and likewise with goji berries. You know, goji berries are good for your eyes, for your skin, for fertility. It's going to elevate your mood. So just a wide array of things. Alright, so I'm going to start juicing. I'm just going to start off by putting the ginger straight into the juicing chute here. Push it down. You see that beautiful ginger juice come straight out there. I'm using the skin here as well, okay? So I'm actually using the coarse juicing screen, okay? Just because it's so fibrous, I find the coarse juicing screen works the best. Oh, look at that, beautiful ginger. And over here, we'll put in some of our goji berry, honey, lemon, and date mixture. Okay, we'll just feed that in. Beautiful. That's it. That's all we have to do. So down the bottom now, I have this beautiful mixture. All right, so that's my ginger, goji, lemon, honey, some dates, cordial. All right, so absolutely beautiful. Give that a little bit of a stir. And what I'm gonna do, I keep this in the fridge and I just pour it into some water as I need it. So just a little bit, because this is so potent. Okay, with all that ginger, lemon, it's really, really potent cordial. So I just need a little bit. Look at that, beautiful, beautiful color. Beautiful ginger, lemon, honey hit. Absolutely delicious. Happy juicing.